Hey guys, it's Cindy and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. Today, what is today? Today is Tuesday. And it is going to be a what I eat in a day video, more of like full-on vlog style. We just went on a walk with Scout. We got a good 2 miles in on our walk. And we just like walked down to like a gas station. So Steven could get an energy drink. I got like an iced coffee thing that I poured over ice. So it's like super good. This is not vegan by any means, but it's really good. I was kind of lazy. I didn't feel like, usually I make coffee. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I make my coffee every morning. Of course, Scout is like chewing on his bone and I'm trying to film this. I love that about him. Dude, that is really loud and annoying. I'm just gonna hold this for like 5 seconds, okay? I'm sorry. Yeah, if you follow me on Instagram and everything, you know that I usually like make my coffee with a coffee maker and everything every morning, which I do. I still do that, but today we just felt like mixing it up. We walked to a gas station, got a good 2 miles in. And yeah, now I'm starting my day. It's almost 8:30, so I'm gonna get cranking on some work. Patiently waiting for his bone back. Okay, sit. Here, good boy. Before I hop into work, I think today's work music is gonna be my daily mix one. Looks like a fun time. Another little thing to share, part of like my morning consuming stuff routine is I try to drink not this entire hydro flask in the morning, but I try to drink as much as I can in the morning before having my coffee, because coffee really dehydrates you, and then like I get like a headache even though coffee is supposed to help headaches. Yeah, so lately especially I've been really trying to drink. I know, I'm sorry, I have Scout's bone again because he's driving me nuts when I'm trying to film. But yeah, so I'm really trying to hydrate myself a little bit in the morning before I have any of my coffee so I stay hydrated. So pro coffee tip. All right, so this is straight up my boredom speaking because it's 11 o'clock. I usually try to eat lunch like exactly around noon, but I just like had to eat something. I'm so bored like working right now. I need to like just entertain myself with some food. So I have some leftovers. This is zucchini squash, yellow squash, little cherry tomatoes with red lentil pasta and feta like cheese just spread throughout. And I'm just kind of munching on it because I'm bored. So I'm eating this. It's lunchtime, it's lunchtime. Whoa! Got a laser. I'm going to make myself a little buffalo wrap. I ate a good amount of that. And so over here, I am cooking up my vegan chicken, because if you didn't know, I'm vegetarian. Now you know. So I got my lunch right here, my little buffalo chicken wrap, baked chicken, faux chicken, and I just put the rest of this like a little pasta salad on the side. And this guy right here is just had a shake. And he has to poop. Really bad. Good stuff. Also, I like to microwave my wrap so that the vegan cheese is extra melted and everything's all nice and hot. Back at my little workstation here that I have set up at home with my lunch. And I am just going to hang out, eat my lunch, maybe like watch a YouTube video as I eat. So this still feels like a lunch break of some sort. I feel like that's a key thing that I've learned, is to like treat lunch like usual. So I try not to work and eat at the same time. I mean, some days are more busy than others, so like I do, But for this whole work from home life, I try to not do that and eat lunch as a normal lunch break. So I am catching up on my Jenna Marbles videos right now, but I just wanted to take a second, if this focuses. Ooh, ooh, look how good and gooey that looks. I love anything with buffalo and ranch. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Wow, simply amazing. Chef's kiss. I'm on my phone, so this is probably way worse quality. But last night, Steven and I were watching Love Island and snacking on some plant-based cookie dough, so therefore edible cookie dough. And he had his other piece without me today, so I'm going to have my piece.
Is that's not even, what is that? No,
No,
I'm gonna make sure you're okay and safe.
You're gonna steal it from me. If you eat it, I swear.
I'm not gonna eat it, but I am gonna expose you because I just gave her my last piece of cheese and she didn't even log that.
That's true. That was so rude. You already had your piece. But I did have a piece of cheese. That was so rude of him. Not fair. But yeah, it is 5 o'clock. I have absolutely no idea what I'm gonna make for dinner. I kind of need groceries, so this should be interesting. I chose a really weird time to do what I eat in a day, but I guess it's more realistic in that aspect because I have no idea what I'm gonna whip up for dinner. This right here is what we're looking at for dinner tonight. Gonna order some Panera Bread takeout. Just get some soup or something like that. I have secured the bag. We got some Panera takeout. My hair is doing all kinds of things. Okay, so let's see. I got the Baja Grain Bowl. I've never knew that Panera had just like bowls like that, so I tried that. And then these are all of our little sides that come with everything. And then Steven, I can't get that out, but Steven got chicken noodle soup, and then we're gonna split some mac and cheese. All right, well, I'm fudging pissed because there's chicken in this, and the ingredient list, on the website said there was no chicken. All the other bowls that have chicken have it marked like whatever the bowl name is, and then with chicken, and this did not. And the ingredient list said did not have chicken, and it didn't add chicken, and there's chicken. So that's really annoying.
We're gonna kill them.
We're gonna kill them. Just kidding. But I'm mad. Vegetarian things. This is what we deal with. Luckily, I have Steven here to pick out all of the chicken. So I guess that's just a little bonus for him. But at least it's not like shredded chicken. It's more like chunks, so I can deal with that and eat everything else as long as he gets all the chicken. Our entertainment for the night is Love Island, the UK version, of course, because that is just way better than the US version. And Scout will probably entertain us with him just being annoying for attention. And this is exactly what I mean. Hi, buddy. Boop. So just wrapping up for the day. It is 8 o'clock right now. I just filled up mine and Steven's hydro flasks with some ice water just for the night. I'll probably actually, because I'm gonna edit this video before I go to bed, so I'll probably come and refill my hydro again. But now right behind me, I am making my sleepy tea. I almost do this every night. I usually do it if I want an earlier night so I could just fall asleep and stay asleep a little easier, but I love sleepy tea. Steven and I love sleepy tea. I love it as part of like my night routine now. And yeah, so we just have that going on. I got my cute little mint, green, blue, whatever you want to call this, electric kettle. And then my tea. So this is the sleepy tea that we use. We absolutely love it. We don't put anything else in it because it is just so amazing. I don't even know what else to say about it, but yeah, this is a sleepy tea that we use. Also, a little sidebar while I wait for my water to boil. This house we're staying in has a ice machine, I guess you could say. And Scout absolutely loves ice. So let's see if he'll catch it. Oh, almost. Let's try it again. Like, how clutch is this? Right, you want another one? We like to call them ice cookies. Come here. Sit. Ready? Good boy. All right, the tea is all done behind me. Just gotta wait for it to cool off because it is piping hot. Yeah, that pretty much brings us to the end of this video. That's all I ate today. I hope it was entertaining somewhat. A lot of you guys asked to see like what I eat in a day videos because I am vegetarian and I'm like borderline vegan, you know. Sometimes I let things slide, but I've basically, to describe my diet, is I am straight up vegetarian, no meat whatsoever, but if there is vegan products or anything that I could substitute with a vegan product, I always prefer that. Same goes to like menus and stuff. If there are vegan items on menus, I usually always lean towards vegan items. Yeah, that kind of just explains that a little further. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and comment down below any other requests that you guys have. If you want to see more of these what I eat in a day videos kind of regularly, because obviously I don't eat the same thing every single day. We don't always order Panera. We happen to be craving soup today. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.